Hello everybody. I'll show you the profile right away. The profile is essentially almost the same. These are Mottura Project, Amig, Delta, in general a universal tool for these locks. Italian STV, Spanish Amig, there are two models, Polish Delta, there are also two models, Italian Mottura Project, it's all the same tool for all of them. And there are several more profiles, I just don't have them now, with which it will also fit. Here the opening rate is almost 90%, very high. And it fits Thirard French lock with such a profile. It fits here as well. The only thing is that this Thirard, the opening rate is low. There are mushroom-shaped pins, they are very good, so the opening rate for them is low. For all the others, closer to 100%. The main foil we use is 06, regular cut. I'm not going to open everything, now I'll open a few, just so as not to take up much time. Here is the reverse side, we make a form, and then we'll transfer it to the working part. You can use thicker foil, but as a rule it is the usual cut 06. Sometimes, if say it did not work, you can simply put it in two layers. It is better to work up and down carefully. We make a stretch to the left, tighten to the left and swing up and down. You can also do it a little this way. This is Amig, Spanish lock. This is Polish Delta. There are two similar models. Well, and so on. For example, if you work with Thirard, French lock, here, as I said, the probability of opening is very small. Let's try to open it. The mushrooms are pretty good here. They just crunch when you open them. You can of course try different fuels there in different ways, but the percent will still be low. Well, this one opened right away, but it jumps a little. It can be. Let's try another one. We basically swing the same way. We pull to the left and swing up and down. Well, here I've pressed down the high pins already. Well, that's it. It's not easy with these locks. So, in general, the profile is universal. So, STV, Amig, Delta, Mottura Project, French Thirard are suitable. There are several more, there are just no locks in stock. So, such a universal profile. The price of the tool you can find on our website, the link is under this video. Bye.